new activity. This is a constructive triangle. What? Constructive triangle. First, I take green color triangle. Show me big one green color triangle. Yes. And show me same triangle. Same. Yes. Now, look. This is a black line. What is this line? Black line. Now I join two black lines. Okay. Now look. Now I make a shape. What is the shape? Square. What is the shape? Square. This is. What is the shape? This is a square. The end, sit nicely. Okay. Now, can you show me other green color triangle? Show me other green color triangle. Okay. Now, can you show me a black line? Yes. Now I make what is this shape? What is this shape? Sion, come. What is this shape?
I can see like a diamond with white stripes.
Same height. This is a parallelus. Now, can you show me yellow color? Yes.
It is huge, teacher. No matter I see like me too.
Lakshmi, can you show me other yellow color triangle? This one. Lakshmi, can you show me black lines? No.
Join the black line. I can't see.
Join the black lines.